In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Etsy in 2025. Whether you're traveling, have recently moved, or just want to see prices in a different currency for better comparison, Etsy makes it straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Etsy website. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the cart icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that cart icon. It's your first stop in making changes to your currency settings. Now, once you're on the cart page, you should see at the top right a section that displays your current settings for region and language. It'll show something like US English, US/USD, which indicates your current location and preference for languages and currency. Go on and click on that part. This click is necessary because it'll open up the settings where you can adjust your preferences. After you've accessed the settings menu, you'll notice several options appear. This will include different currencies and language selections. Navigate to the currency section, the USD part, and you'll want to change that to your desired currency. For this example, we're changing it to Philippine pesos, often listed as PHP. Click on PHP to set it as your preferred currency. After selecting PHP, take note that it might take a moment to refresh and apply the setting. Once it changes and displays PHP as your currency, you're almost done. The last step is about saving these settings. To do this, make sure to scroll down to find the Save button, which should be conveniently located at the bottom of this settings menu. Once you locate it, simply click on Save. This crucial step ensures the proper application of your changes, and your settings will be updated instantly. From now on, as you browse Etsy, all the prices will be shown in Philippine pesos, making it easier to manage and assess costs without constantly converting from USD or any other currencies. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step method to change your currency on Etsy. It's particularly handy if you're looking to get a more accurate idea of costs in your local currency or perhaps looking to buy gifts for family and friends overseas. Changing currencies on Etsy is such a useful feature that I hope this video has made it easy for you to use. Thank you for watching and sticking with me through this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit. Happy shopping!